Hi, friends. This is Katherine Burik with the Interview Doctor, here with a question. I got this question recently, so we're going to call this Dear Interview Doctor. Dear Interview Doctor, my LinkedIn profile is beautiful. You said so yourself, but I'm getting no traction at all. No one is connecting with me. I have hardly any connections and I don't know what to do. Dear Confused Beautiful. The thing that's going on here is no one can see you because you don't have enough LinkedIn connections. That's what's going on. I have a client. He just came to me. He's out of work. He's an engineer. He's out of work and he had no LinkedIn profile because he'd been with his company for a long time. So we created a beautiful LinkedIn profile. It's got a great background. It's got great personal branding. It's got keyword optimized. I'm telling you, it is beautiful. So we set about the next stage of our work together, which was to create a job search marketing plan. I wanted to show him how to network in order to find opportunities. The problem was he couldn't see anything because he only had 2 LinkedIn connections, and one was me. Without enough LinkedIn connections, you're not going to be able to see anything. People are not going to be able to see you. You won't rise to the level where recruiters will find you. It's unfortunate but true. So, to solve your problem, first set about getting as many LinkedIn connections as possible. I want you to get to at least 200. So to go from 0 or 10 to 200, it sounds like it's hard, but it isn't really. Because I guarantee that every one of you listening to me out there right now knows at least 500 people, even though you don't know you know those many people, that many people. So the answer to the question, my dear friend, is get more LinkedIn connections and your beautiful LinkedIn profile will get noticed. If you have any questions, just let me know. And if you have more questions about using LinkedIn for job search, check out the 5 tips for using LinkedIn for job search, free gift from the Interview Doctor. It should be in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Katherine Burik standing by.